Alright, so I'm going to do this again so I can show you how this whole setup works. Okay, so let's go ahead and start from the beginning here. Okay, so I'm going to first we create a new page, right? Now I noticed on your heading there was when the permalink was created, it looked like there was all kinds of other stuff attached to it. So this is all you have to do. So just make a short heading for the page. So test pop-up example 2, and then I will say this is the content for example 2, right? And then we just got to make sure that we make it a pop-up so that the template shows just the heading and the content, right? Okay, so I'm going to publish this. Alright, so the next step we have to do once it publishes is to look at the URL, right? So I'm going to hit edit and just copy this part of the code, right, which is the page. So then I'll hit cancel. So this is all that should show up. I noticed on your example there was all kinds of other other data that made the string really long, so I'm not sure what happened there. So then I'll go to posts. I will create a new post. Okay, so test post 2 for pop-up example. Okay, now I copied earlier the same link that I sent you with all the parameters in there, right? So that's what it should look like. And here, instead of this hand railing thing, which is what I fixed for you earlier, I'm going to put in my page, right, that I just created. So I'm going to replace handrail with my test pop-up, right? And I'm going to publish that. Okay, so now it creates this. But I wanted to let you know that here, instead of code, right? So this, from this opening tag to the close here, is this is the important stuff. It looks at this class for pop-up. This is the actual reference to the URL, and then these are the parameters that make up the size of the window. So in between here and this closing A, you can change this text to whatever. So I'll change it to link to example 2. Obviously you can, change it to whatever is more appropriate for what you're talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. Okay, so once it's updated, I'm waiting for this to finish. Okay, now we're ready to go. I'm going to open it in a new tab. Alright, here's the post that I created, and here's the link. And it works. Alright, let me know if you have any questions.